What's going on, YouTube? Ralph the Trader here, back again with another video. Hey, today's video, I want to go over two trades that I took today. One was doing the London session and one was doing the New York session. So I took Gbpusd doing London session and I took NAS100 doing the New York session. All right, so just want to briefly just go over this trade and show you guys where I entered and where I took profit at. Okay, excuse me. So first off, Gbpusd, and if you guys watched the previous video about the day count, so I was looking for an explosive move to the downside. All right, so my bias was to the downside. All right, with Gbpusd, because you take a look here. All right, as you can see on Monday here, when the market opened up on Monday, we broke Friday's high. So I was in day one. Okay, we was in day one. Then Tuesday, we broke Monday's high, which is day two. Then Wednesday, we broke Tuesday high, which is day three. All right. So I was looking for an explosive move to the downside. All right. So you guys already know, just waiting on London session to open. So, you know, I just don't trade Asian. As you guys can see, Asian session puts in a high. All right. They put in a low. Okay, then they proceeded to pull the market back up. All right, 1, 2, 3, back up, creating this lower high. All right, giving us a shooting star right at this lower high, followed by an engulfing. Now I wasn't up. Now if I was up, all right, I would have taken this trade. Okay, I would have taken this trade because I did get a 1, 2, 3. All right, to this high. Okay, nice shooting star. Reversal candlestick followed by an engulfing. All right, I would have taken this trade at 2:30. All right, but I didn't get up in time, so I just had to wait. All right, so once this candle here closed below the 00, all right, I was just patiently waiting, and as you guys can see, we traded 25 pips outside of the 100 pip box. Okay, so we traded 25 pips outside of the 100 pip box. All right. And now I was just waiting on my setup. All right, waiting on that 1, 2, 3. All right, and just waiting on the timing. So, like I said, as you can see, we did get this nice Maribosa candle here, closing below the 00. All right, equity hour was here, rejecting the high, rejecting that low of the day, also rejecting the quarter level. So we still had nothing yet. We didn't have no confirmation to take a trade yet. All right, so we just gonna continue to wait. All right, and like I said in my video a couple of days ago, all right, where I where I failed, where I had a learning lesson with phase 2, all right, of the verification phase with my forex fund, so of being undisciplined. So now I'm just, getting my discipline back, all right. So as you can see, like I said, we had this nice Maribosa candle closing below the low and also closing below the 00 level, all right. So we're back inside of the 100 pip box. Equity hour gives us this indecision candle, another indecision candle, and we just continue to reject that low of the day, and we continue to reject the 00 level. So giving us a 1, 2, 3 with an engulfing. Now, because since I was waiting on this, so this was like an hour and 30 minutes, so I was kind of dozing like on in and out, and so once I did wake up, all right, this candle hadn't already formed, giving you the engulfing. Now the entry should have been here, all right. So I should have taken an entry here, all right, and stop would have been above the wick, giving me a 7 pip stop loss, all right. But I wind up seeing it too late, and I wind up taking the entry at the quarter level and just getting out at the 50 level, because as you can see, price was respecting the 50 level here, so I just had set a TP for here, all right, and we got a 25 pips out of that trade, all right. So caught 25 pips there, all right, on Gbpusd. Now with the NAS, all right, as you can see with the NAS100, just blow this up. So here's the trade I took with the NAS100. Same thing, all right. You already know this was our most recent high of the day that was put in here, okay. And then we had our low that was put in place here, okay. So this was our most recent high and our most recent low of the day. All right. So now when it comes to the NASDAQ, everything is always still the same. And as you can see, the NAS was trading below our last week's high. All right. We was trading below our last week high. All right. So we're just waiting on the same setup. All right. And we are at the top part of our 100 pip box. All right. So we're in our sellers area. And as you can see, prices making a downtrend. All right. So we're making lower highs and lower lows. All right. And as you can see, when the market opened up, we did get a nice 1, 2, 3. All right, giving us a tweezer top. All right, but I'm waiting on the equity hour. All right, with the NASDAQ. All right, I like to wait until after that 9:30 candle is completely done. All right, so we got this tweezer top. This is already signaling to me that we're going to be coming back down. All right, but I'm just going to patiently and just wait until 9:30. All right, next candle we get this inverted, all right, inverted head and show inverted hammer candlestick. Then the 9:30 equity hour opens up. All right, and you can see what they do at the open of the market. All right, so next candle opens up. When this next candle open, all right, I got in like right at the 50 level. Okay, got in at the 50 level and set my target. All right, for the 50 points. All right, got my 50 points in and I was out. And as you can see, this thing went about almost 130 something or whatever. So we had the same setup that I always look for. All right, we want to see the 1, 2, 3. All right, and this was our most recent high. Okay, because you see we was in the downtrend. We had the high, we had the low, we had the lower high. All right, and we had our low, we had our lower high. All right, and then it came back here, made the low, then we came back. All right, giving us the 1, 2, 3 tweezer top. All right, reversal candlestick pattern. All right, inverted hammer, waiting on the equity hour to do its thing. All right, we're also trading below the last week's high. All right, we're also trading below the previous day's low. Okay, so we were just waiting on that 9:30 Eastern Standard Time candle to finish doing his business, and then everything was already confirmed. So we were just waiting, and we took the trade. All right, so those were the two trades that I took this morning. All right, just getting back to my trading plan of taking 2 trades a day. All right, whether they be learning lessons or whether they be wins, sticking to my 2 trades a day, one doing New York and one doing the London session if a setup presents itself. All right, so if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, hit the bell button. All right, hit the subscribe button. All right, and like always, man, work hard, stay disciplined, be patient, and your time will come, and be the reason someone smiles. Be the reason someone smiles. Peace and love, family. Have a good one.